Yeah.
My head trying to hurt a little bit.
On your head trying to hurt a little bit.
A little bit. What's wrong with you? Oh, you know you be keeping the locks on?
No, that's cucumber in a mother. What the fuck wrong with this?
Oh! What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha, back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. Today your girl is about to be getting Brock with replacing my fiance's drink with pickle juice, y'all. Oh. Now me personally, I freaking hate pickles. So this is gonna be a freaking banger, y'all. Look, I got my pickle juice right here. I got my pickle juice. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new, on the road to 200K. So if you here and you ain't smashed that subscribe button, go ahead and smash it one time for your girl. Also, make sure you smash that post notification bell, okay? You gotta make it go ring, ding, dong, hey, ring, ding, ding, dong. Okay, so look, y'all, Brock is upstairs in the shower right now. We are getting ready to go, but what your girl is finna do is, he got this little nasty ass lemon cucumber Gatorade. So what your girl is gonna do is we gonna pour this out and we gonna pour pickle juice in here and we are going to get his freaking reaction. Now, let's see, I think I'm gonna pour this in this cup so I don't waste this little juice or whatever. Hold on, let me get it. Let me, oof. I don't like that. We gonna pour all that out. Pour all that out, y'all. Gotta make sure I don't hear that shower go off, y'all. I don't wanna get caught up. Don't do this, y'all. Right? We're gonna pour all the pickle juice in there. I don't like that, I don't like that, I don't like that. Y'all see? Y'all see? Y'all see? Y'all see? Okay. And then we're gonna pour this back over. This back on us, people. Oh, I'm spilling anyway. Gosh dang. Okay, hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. I don't like it. That don't smell good. Ooh, too much. Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back in the refrigerator so it can be cold for my man, because I wouldn't want to give him no warm pickle juice. Ew. We gonna give him cold pickle juice, duh. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, because you know your girl's coming with nothing but freaking bangers, period, okay? And I'm gonna catch y'all when we go.
20 minutes later.
Okay, y'all, your girl's in the car waiting for Brock. Y'all know I brought my man's pickle juice. I mean, my man's Gatorade. I brought my man's Gatorade or whatever. We're gonna put it right here and just leave it for him like that. Okay, we gonna act like nothing, okay? Act like nothing, BT gang. Okay, here we go,
What's up, baby girl? My love.
Nigga, you got on a whole beanie
My love.
and no jacket. Where's the jacket?
All I need is my ears covered. I'm straight. I told you my muscles.
Boy, if you don't need a beanie,
My muscles got me for the rest of it.
you gonna get the whole rest of the house sick thinking your muscles. You know you be getting sick.
My muscles got me. Cause I ain't had no beanie. That's why. I'm trying to tell you. Now my ears. Look at that sunlight. You tripping? God damn, I can't even see.
I know. That's in one place though. Look, no more sun.
Just cause you was born up there in the mountains by the goats and shit.
Oh! You a hater.
In the mountains by the goats.
That's cause you was born by the lions and tigers and bears.
I said tonight I want some throat.
Nope.
Use a joke.
But it's still a no. Ooh. Go ahead and swerve on.
And I
What?
they shouldn't have brought your ass on the boat.
Your ass finna get choked.
They should have left your ass in Africa.
Ooh. Oh, that's what you meant. Oh damn, I forgot this street was like that. You a cold nigga. You wanted them to leave it on the boat?
I said they should have put your ass.
So
on
you
the boat.
couldn't have met the love of your life?
Hey, I'm just saying. They could have put somebody else in place of your ass. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
You would be so lonely without me, bro.
Man, I probably would have
You would not be able to live life without me.
Man, I probably would have had love. What's her name? Nook. Probably would have had love. What's her name? Nook. She'd probably been bad as hell.
I'm not doing that with you.
And Nook. Baddest girl in Nigeria. You tripping.
Oh. You got it. Ain't no cars even coming.
Her English name is Sarah.
Not Sarah. Are you turning right here, sir?
Her African name is Mbak.
And why he just turned his blinker on? What's going on today?
Tasha, why you road raging with yourself?
I'm just saying.
You can't be patient enough to turn.
Yeah, I can.
Looking like you
don't
wanna
like
burn.
driving?
Well, why you drive then?
Because I wanted to be nice to my man.
That shit will never happen.
Oh, for real?
I mean, thank you, babe.
Okay, so I see you gonna act a little funky today, huh?
I act a little funky.
You smell a little funky too.
Sister.
I'm telling you.
How many months pregnant is Lisa?
I don't know how many months she's in.
Man, what the hell kind of auntie is you?
But I got a wedding in my head. I got a lot of shit going on in my head right now. But she is pregnant. She is pregnant.
And she do have a due date.
She do have a due date.
That's all you know.
Yeah, pretty much.
Boy, you don't
I
know
don't
a
remember the due date. I don't remember the due date.
You don't know a damn thing.
I remember everything but that one thing.
But that one thing.
But that one thing.
You look like
Oh, I brought your Gatorade. Why you talking?
Thank you.
I brought your Gatorade for
This
you.
my little Gatorade.
I almost forgot you came in the car talking all that shit.
Nah, the user one acting like a haterade, but you done brought a nigga Gatorade, so I'm gonna excuse your prior actions. You know what I'm saying? That's for sure.
I should take that. Give me the Gatorade back,
I'm
cuz.
playing. You don't even like cucumber. Why is you playing?
You're right. I don't like cucumber.
This shit's fire. I like cucumber lemonade, cucumber Gatorade.
That shit. I can't do it.
Crazy. Yeah.
My head trying to hurt a little bit.
Why your head trying to hurt a little bit?
A little bit. What's wrong with you? Oh, you know you be keeping the locks on? Rock!
No, that's cucumber in a mother. What the fuck wrong with this shit?
I told you to stop drinking that nasty ass. You was just over here talking about, I love cucumber. Cucumber lemonade. Blueberry cucumber. Cucumber.
Hold on. This salted in the mother.
Cucumber.
Dang!
You like cucumbers, you say?
Hold on.
That's what you get. That's what you
You
get.
teasing me.
Because y'all stupid ass is just talking about how much you like cucumbers.
Nah, hell
Now
no.
look at you.
No, hell no. I'm taking this shit back. This shit gotta, no. This
told
salty
you
to the
better-
mother. This is not the regular cucumber.
That's it, babe.
Lime and cucumber and pepino lemon. What's a pepino?
Oh! I don't know. That's your shit. You was just bragging about how good it was. You alright? You okay? I told you not to drink it. Now
Oh,
you
hell
can't
no.
say shit to me. Because I told you to stop drinking that nasty ass. You wanted to drink it.
You ain't got no
You
napkins
wanted
in
to
this
drink-
motherfucker, man.
I ain't got shit. I told
Come
you
on,
to stop
man.
drinking that nasty
Damn.
ass.
Oh, that's wow, you didn't taste that shit. You didn't taste that shit.
I'm
That
not
shit got-
tasting that. I already don't like that.
Okay.
I told you to stop drinking. Why would I taste it? I already
wrong
told
with
you
this?
don't like that.
Oh, that's no, hell no. No, that's strong. That's strong. That's way too strong. Why is it seeds and shit in this motherfucker?
There's seeds in there. Oh, it's probably the cucumber seeds. Cucumbers.
Man, what the f is this right here?
It's a cucumber.
Nah, it ain't supposed to be no damn cucumber seeds in this mother.
What you mean? It don't never.
It ain't supposed to be cucumber seeds in my. You mean what I mean?
I don't drink that shit,
Nah,
so I'm
hell
just
no.
asking questions.
It's seeds and shit up in the. Man, come on.
And
man,
it's
what
not
the fuck, man?
supposed to
Take
be seeds in there?
Take back something, man. Take back something.
It ain't supposed to be seeds in there? Are you
Hell
sure?
no, not in the Gatorade. This ain't no more puree.
Oh, you don't squeeze cucumbers?
It's not as smooth. What?
You don't squeeze cucumbers? You know how you squeeze the lemons? You don't squeeze cucumbers? That's not how it works. No, that's a serious question. I'm asking you a question. Why are you looking at me like I'm dumb and shit? I'm trying to ask you a serious question. You can't squeeze a cucumber.
Tasha, I'm looking at the window. You dumb as shit though. But I'm looking at the window.
What?
I'm not even looking at you like you dumb. You just dumb. What's wrong with you? Take
Why
back.
I gotta be
Seven
dumb? Why I gotta be dumb now?
Come on, man. What the f, man? I need some water. You got some water? My mouth salty as bro.
No.
My salty as. You ain't got no water?
I didn't bring nothing to drink. I just was trying to be nice and bring your shit. I ain't got no water. Why you looking at me like that? What?
You tried to be nice and bring my shit.
That's what I said. What?
I'm trying to think if I heard the click when I opened that shit.
Why wouldn't you hear the click? Why wouldn't you hear the click?
Because you evil as hell. You always with a nigga. That's why come on, man. Come on, man. Why is it seeds in this motherfucker?
I don't know why I just brought your shit out the refrigerator.
Smell it. No, hell no.
Why smell it? It
Smell it. Smell
regular,
it.
so I
Smell
know
it.
it stink right
Smell
now.
it.
It stink regular. I don't want to smell it like that.
You don't smell this motherfucker. You're gonna be worried. I swear to God.
How you gonna force me to smell it though? Like, that's some real...
Because it ain't supposed to be seeds in here.
Okay,
And you brought the shit out for a nigga.
So automatically, what are you accusing me of?
I'm not accusing you of goddamn thing. I just asked you to smell it.
No, right now I feel accused and I feel on the defense. And I'm just trying to help you at this point. Brock.
Why'd you driving so fast around the corner?
Because, no, I'm telling you what, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't want to taste it.
Tasha, you want to taste it or not?
I just you finna piss me off. How you
finna? I'm
finna piss me off? Why I gotta be a victim? Cause you a victim. I gotta be a victim too.
I'm gonna get your ass one time to tell the truth, my Did you put something in my damn drink, buddy?
I done put shit in there.
Why is the seeds in here then, bro?
How many times you
Why is the seeds in here? Why you blocking shit?
I'm gonna beat your ass, bro.
Stop blocking this shit.
Why the fuck would you do
Oh,
that?
oh hell no.
Why would your
This
stupid
is
ass
not-
do that?
What the f? So you gonna squeeze this shit on my ass?
Okay, look.
Right. So you gonna squeeze on my ass? You gonna squeeze on my ass? It's gonna be okay.
I'm not finna play with you.
Okay, I'm not finna play with you.
I'm not okay.
Why you put, what the f is it?
I didn't put it on you. You put it on
Did you
me.
put some okras or something? It tastes like okras or something.
I didn't put shit in there, bro. I didn't put shit in there.
Tasha, smell that shit. That is not cucumber. Smell that. That's the
All that
strongest.
shit stink. All that shit stink.
That's
I should
the
whoop
strongest,
your ass
bro.
now. I should whoop your ass.
Tasha,
Why the
you
f am I over
my
here
ass.
drinking
You can't
pickle
whoop my
juice,
ass.
cucumber juice, or
You
whatever
can't
the
whoop
fuck
my
it
ass.
is?
That's why you ain't whoop. Hit me again. Hit me again. You gonna be drinking this motherfucker. I'll waterboard shit out your ass. I ain't playing.
Oh! I ain't gonna hit you. I ain't gonna even back up. Back up. I didn't do nothing to your shit.
Okay. So you. Okay.
I'm going. You piss me off. Like, why do I have to always go into the store sticky or some shit? Now I gotta go to the store smelling like pickles and shit. What the fuck?
Don't ever bring my shit back out again.
I won't touch
Don't
your
ever
shit.
bring my shit. Don't touch none of my shit.
I won't bring you shit
On my
else out.
mama.
I don't know how you mad. You need to call the 1-800 number on the back of that mother bottle while you talking to me.
No.
We could have a check right now. You over here bullshit now. Oh! I'm trying to put little baby cucumbers in your stomach.
I told you to take me to 7-Eleven. Yo, what the fuck you doing?
You too hostile for me. You too motherfucking hostile. Who gonna listen to a nigga yelling like that? Nigga, if you ask me nice. Talk to me nice. Shit.
Why does shit smell like piss or something, bro? It smell like old ass pee or something, bro.
Brock, you the one that wanted to drink that nasty ass shit. Don't talk to me about your shit.
I'm not talking about the normal smell of this shit. I'm talking about the smell of this shit today, right now.
I ain't got nothing to do with that. Put the top on that shit and stop playing with the number.
I don't know what the top is. I've been looking for the top 5 minutes. I don't know what the top is.
Okay,
I don't know what the top is. You smacked the shit out of my hand.
No. It needed to be smacked at that.
Yes, it did. What you gonna block with now? What you gonna block with now? What you gonna block with now?
Oh!
What you gonna block with now? What you gonna block with now? Do something to me. Do something. What you gonna block with now? What'd you put in my drink, bro? Why you keep...
Where'd my hand go, bro?
What did you put in my drink?
I didn't put shit in your drink.
Block it now.
What did it taste like?
What
it taste like?
Piss, okra, or something.
Okra? That's what okra tastes like? What are you doing?
Take back the house, nigga.
I am. That's exactly where you going, because you doing extremely too much.
Obviously, I'm not walking around smelling like damn okra piss. I'm not
That's how I knew you was a hater. Because just because you smell like that shit, now I got to smell like it too? I would have never did that.
I wasn't smelling like the shit before you threw the shit on me, you silly mother.
Nigga, I wasn't smelling like the shit before you threw it on me first.
I didn't throw it on your ass. You blocked it.
Yes, you did.
You blocked it.
What the fuck is you talking about?
You blocked it.
Stupid.
You blocked it.
I blocked you trying to throw it on.
Take me out.
Yeah.
Take me out.
Get to our neighborhood where I know they ain't gonna call the police.
Okra nipple titty having smelling that right now.
Oh! Yeah.
Is this titty munch you put in his mouth? Why does it smell like that, bro?
You finna wear that whole...
I ain't. How you gonna tell me I'm finna wear shit? I ain't finna wear a damn thing. Yeah, go ahead and lock it. Don't roll my shit up. Yo, bro, I
will roll your arm up in that motherfucker.
Okay.
Why you acting like a little punk ass bitch now? Bring the bottle back, huh? Why you acting like a little punk ass bitch now?
I'm acting like a punk, but you won't tell me what the f***ing seeds is in here. But I'm acting like a buster.
I told you they squeezed the cucumber. What you mean?
How you know what the f*** they squeezed? Tasha, was you there?
Well, it's obvious, Brock. It's cucumber juice. Like, don't ask me stupid ass. It's cucumber juice, right? It's cucumber what?
That ain't cucumber seeds.
What cucumber seeds look like?
Your mama. She about to get splashed as soon as I get out.
You splat. Stop playing.
Stupid. Playing too much. Come on.
I couldn't tell him, y'all. He's about to wet a bitch up with a whole thing of pickle juice, and I don't feel like throwing up. Y'all know I got a weak motherfucking stomach. Tell Tasha down in the comment section below. He gonna have to find out when he edit this motherfucker. Run the likes up, Team Tasha, Team Tasha, Team Tasha. Period, because you know your girl comes. Ew. With nothing but bangers. So yeah, Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Until next time, bye y'all.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she